Okay, day one of the 30-day challenge was, uh, best friend, my best friend. My best friend is, her name is Savannah. She goes out of her way to do, like, anything for me. We hang out a lot. She's really nice. Overall, she's just a really chill person. She has all the qualities that, like, a friend would need, like, honesty and, faithful and trustworthy and everything. Um, she by far has been the only one I could call best friend lately. Um, Me and her do everything together when we get the chance, especially with summer coming up. Um, get to hang out more and party and stuff. She she has really cool friends too. Like I've met her friend and she's met mine, and she lives like 5-10 minutes away or something, so not too far. But yeah, she's definitely by far my best friend so far. Um, Maybe one day she'll be in my video and you can see who she is. Um, Other than that, I don't really know what else to say on the topic. So that's up for day one.